Enjoy the view of this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.